Hello, greetings from Da Nang, Vietnam. How do you guys like this rooftop swimming pool? It's pretty cool, right? There is a beach and let me switch the camera. It's pretty cool city here. There are mountains, there's beautiful beach, and this swimming pool is like in the hotel where I'm currently staying. It's just a bonus. I love it here. Really cool, friendly people and very kind, and also very great food. And yeah, this is the city where I actually wanted to go. I wanted to travel there for a long time, but it was like closed due to COVID. So I finally got the chance, and it's just like on the pictures and videos I've seen, right? It looks amazing, and I'm super grateful to be here. I will be swimming in this pool in a while because it's super hot here, like 30 degrees. And this is the other side of the city, the buildings, right? Let me show you. Yeah, and here I can rest. If it gets too hot, I can go here. There's a shadow here. Pretty nice view, right? I just came from the beach and to check into this hotel. Yeah guys, so let me know how do you like it here. If I drop me comment below, and yeah, let me know what you think. Like if you would also like to come here, and yeah, I'm really super excited for this swimming pool because it's super hot, and can't wait to go in there. So you guys take care, and let me know in the comments, like, what are you working on? I would like to hear from you, and if there is anything I can help you with. Like if you also want to travel more. Kuala Lumpur was also very cool, and people were also super friendly. If I knew, I would stay there longer. The problem was I didn't, like, at the time when I was planning this trip, it was closed and there were restrictions. Maybe next time, I will be traveling around South Asia now, and let me know which country should I visit next, okay? And I will talk to you soon. I'm going to swim now because it's super hot, okay? So see you guys later.